No way, way over there? How did that even happen? What was he doing? What?
I can't believe it.
How did it happen way over there?
I know, because he You got him, buddy. ThunderROARus. Where did you pick?
Yeah, buddy.
Of course, you can anything from our taco trucks. We got Treehouse, we have Treehouse food truck. We've got Brothers in Arms Barbecue. We've got Taco Hour taco truck, and we've got Kelly's homemade ice cream as well. So we're here as well. But also, this is where we're going to have some of our drivers do some interviews as well, so you can hang out here at the main stage. Once again, we want to welcome you to our Monster Jam Big Party. Have a great day.
Wow.
Hold on, buddy. Oh, you got this. You got it. Woo! Whoa, we're going. Oh, woohoo! Yeah, Leo! Whoa, whoa! Woo! Whoa! Whoa, that was awesome! You like that?
How excited are you to be in the Sunshine State at the pit parties outside? How's it feel to be back in sunny weather?
It's amazing. I've been to Detroit, very snowy, very cold. So to be here, it feels good. The weather couldn't be happier. Last time we were here, the rain had. The weather today is perfect. I see a lot of zombie creatures today. It is Mari's hometown. I think we're going to send a lot of zombie fans home sad tonight.
Oh, okay. You heard it from the man himself. Everybody.